Hello everyone. Today my topic is about cash flow. If there is something wrong in my presentation, I hope you can correct it in time. The most important thing about writing this type of problem is to think about what is an inflow and what is an outflow and what are the changes in the cash balance. When writing cash flow statement, we can break it down into 4 steps. And the first step is calculate cash flow from operating. And this part includes the customer's cash income and the cash disbursement, income tax payment, and so on. And the second step is calculate cash flow from investing activities. This part includes some payments, equipment, money for the purchase of land. Non-current assets belongs to this part. And the third step is calculate cash flow from financing account activities. Some stocks are included in the section. And the fourth step is write the date into the cash flow statement. So let's go into the problem and look at some of the data. And this is problem. Income has been in business as a solo trader for the past 5 years. The operative statements of financial position for the years 2019 and 2020 and summarize the income statement for the year ended 30 June 2020 are shown below. And we can look at some of the data. Current assets, no current assets, current liabilities, and non-current liabilities, and equity. We can also make it clear that opening balance is 2019 and the closing balance is 2020. And we can see the income statement for the year ended 30 June 2020. This income statement is very important. And we can now additional information. The contributed capital during the year for 6000 cash. Let's move on the first step. In this case, we should calculate the cash receipts from customer. And we can know about accounts receivables data. We can now the opening balance is 4290 and the closing balance is 3150. So the opening balance plus the sales less cash received from customer increase closing balance, and we can receive the data about cash received from customers, and the calculate is 4290.16800 minus 3150 and equal 17940. Yes, and the 17940 is the cash received from customer. Then we should calculate cash payment to suppliers, and we can know about the inventory and the opening inventory. And the opening inventory is 6000, and the closing inventory is 6600. And the opening inventory plus purchase less closing inventory equals cost of goods sold. And the cost of goods sold we can know about into the income statement. Yes, this is. So the calculate is 5100.6600 minus 6000 equals 5700, and we should now the purchase, and we calculate is 5700, and the subtotal and the total is 11700. The next step, and we can calculate cash payment to supplies continued. Last step, we calculate purchase is 5700. So we should calculate the accounts payable accounts. The accounts payable opening balance is 6150, and the closing balance is 7950. So we can calculate the cash paid to suppliers, and the cash paid to suppliers is the right answer, and we calculate is 6150.5700 minus 7950, and equals 3900, and the 3900 is answer for the cash paid to suppliers. So next we should calculate about cash paid for employers, and another expense. We look at the income statement. The expense is 8610, and we should less opening prepaid insurance, and the 8 closing prepared insurance. So the calculate is 8610 minus 300 and 360, and equals 8670. And the 8670 is the cash, but we should it's cash paid for employers, and the cash payment to suppliers, and is right answer about the cash paid to suppliers and employers. The answer is 12570. 12570. The next step is we cash paid for bank, and the bank overdraft account. The opening balance we can say is three. We can say is 300, and the closing balance is 0. So we can now the cash paid for bank is 300. The next step is calculate cash flow from investing activities. From the title, and we can cash paid for new equipment, and the opening balance is the equipment opening balance is 19200. The closing balance is 25500. So we can now the purchase of new equipment is 25500 minus 19200 equals 6300. So the company buy purchase 6300 of new equipment, and the cash paid for new lands. We can now the opening balance. The opening balance is 20400, and the closing balance is 24000. So we can calculate the purchase of land is 15600 minus and we can calculate is 24000 minus 20400 equals 3600. And next we should cash paid for new motor vehicles, and from the data, and the motor vehicle opening balance is 14550, and the closing balance is 15600. So we can calculate the new motor vehicles is 15600 minus 14550 equals 1050. And the next step is cash flow from financing activities. This part is about long-term mortgage. And we can see the data is the opening balance is 14100, closing balance is 18900. So we can calculate the balance has increased by 5800. and the cash flow from financial activity about equity, we can now the share capital. The opening balance is 32700 and the closing balance is 35100. So the capital increased 2400 and include as product from share issuers. So we can write the statement of cash flows. It's very important, and we can now the net cash from operating activities is 5070, and the calculate is 17940 minus 12570 minus 300 equals 5070. About investing activities, and this part is paid new goods, and so the calculate is 6300 and 3600 and 1050 and equals 10950. But this is expense. The last step is financing account activities. The net cash used in finance activities is 7200, and we calculate is increase capital and increase mortgage. The fourth is 00 and 2400. So we can now the income statement from the 2020 years. We have profit is 3090. This is net profit. So from the statement, we can note net increase in cash hold, don't decrease. The calculate is 5070 and 7200 and 3090 minus 10950 equate 4410. So from the data, and we can now the closing the cash balance is 540. So the cash at end of period is 4950. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your listening.